Hello and welcome to my channel. We are going to completely skip over the fact that I have not posted on this channel in 2 years because it is officially spooky season, and I'm just gonna jump into what I do best, and that's creative makeup. I will be posting every day this month, so make sure you are subscribed here and following me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Be sure to turn on your post notifications, that way you'll be the first one to see a new look every other day. Also, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you're happy to see me back here on YouTube. I'm so excited to be posting on here again, and don't forget to leave a comment down below of what you think of today's look. Now let's get into my first Halloween look of my 2022 Halloween makeup series. I was inspired by the Halloween movie poster, and I knew for this look that I was going to need a prop, so I went ahead and made this prop out of paper. If you want to see more details on how that was made, check out my TikTok. I have a full process video on how I made that. But we're going to go ahead and move on and glue down our eyebrows, and then I'm going to begin sketching out where everything is going to lay on my face. The easiest way for me to do this is by using a white pencil, because you can always paint over white and it won't really show through the paint. And then now we're just going to go ahead and lay down the basic colors. That way I can kind of visually see where everything is going to lay. This is what I'm talking about, how the paint just kind of goes over the white so you can correct any mistakes that you made. And then now we're just going to go ahead and start lining everything up. Here I'm just focusing on highlighting and really kind of color correcting. I like to work using lighter colors first and then moving into the shadows. So I love doing this part because it really brings everything to life. And I genuinely recommend looking at your reference picture over and over and over again. Because one thing I learned in school is that our minds can typically try to make up what we see instead of actually trusting what our eye is seeing. So yeah, here I'm just shading everything, and I always recommend starting light and then working your way into the darkest shade, because you can always add darker colors, but it's really hard to kind of come back from a darker shade once it's already been laid down. So here we're just going to go ahead and highlight on the opposite side of where those shadows are to make everything really pop and feel more three-dimensional. This is where everything was starting to come to life, and I was getting really excited. We're going to go ahead and black out everything that isn't necessarily going to be seen. That way the face and the entire look can kind of stand out on its own. So yeah. Just to give you guys a heads up, this look is going to be available for prints. I'm going to have prints, canvases, stickers, clothing items with my makeup looks on it, so stay tuned for that. Here I am going ahead and use some spirit gum to glue down this prop, and I was genuinely impressed because this is the first time that I used spirit gum and it stuck really well. So I just went ahead and added that everywhere that the paper was in contact with my skin, and it stayed. It worked really nicely. So here is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you stick around so you can see my future looks, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.